What if just a few simple changes could turn your struggling houseplants into a thriving indoor jungle? Many people believe indoor plants are difficult to maintain, but the truth is that most plant problems come from a handful of common mistakes. Whether your leaves are turning yellow, growth has slowed, or your plants seem unhappy, the solutions are often easier than you think. In today's video, we'll reveal 10 essential indoor plant care practices that can dramatically improve the health and beauty of your houseplants. Stay until the end, because these expert tips could completely transform your indoor green space. Number 1. Choose the right plant for your space. The foundation of successful indoor gardening begins with selecting plants that match your home's environment. Before bringing a new plant home, observe how much sunlight each room receives throughout the day. Low-light spaces are perfect for snake plants, ZZ plants, and pothos, while bright areas suit Monstera, Fiddle Leaf Fig, and bird of paradise plants. Choosing plants that naturally thrive in your available conditions reduces maintenance and increases success. When plants are placed in suitable environments, they experience less stress, grow more vigorously, and remain healthier overall. Smart plant selection makes indoor gardening easier and far more enjoyable. Number 2. Understand your plant's light requirements. Light is the fuel that powers plant growth. Every indoor plant has unique lighting needs, and understanding them can prevent many common issues. Bright indirect light is ideal for many tropical plants, while some species tolerate lower light conditions. Observe your windows and note how sunlight changes throughout the day. If leaves become pale, stretched, or sparse, the plant may need more light. Conversely, scorched or faded leaves often indicate excessive direct sun exposure. Rotating your plants every few weeks helps them grow evenly and prevents leaning. Proper lighting encourages healthy foliage, stronger stems, and vibrant overall growth. Number 3. Water correctly and consistently. Proper watering is one of the most important aspects of indoor plant care. Many houseplants suffer not from underwatering but from excessive watering. Before watering, check the soil by inserting your finger about an inch deep. If the soil feels dry, it's usually time to water. Water thoroughly until excess moisture drains from the bottom of the pot. Avoid leaving standing water in saucers, as this can lead to root rot. Developing a consistent watering routine based on your plant's needs and environmental conditions promotes healthy root systems, stronger growth, and fewer plant-related problems throughout the year. Number 4. Use well-draining. Soil-healthy soil provides the perfect balance of moisture, nutrients, and airflow for plant roots. Indoor plants thrive when their roots receive both water and oxygen. Using well-draining potting mixes prevents soil from becoming compacted and waterlogged. Different plants have different preferences. Succulents and cacti require sandy, fast-draining soil, while tropical plants often enjoy richer mixes that retain moderate moisture. Quality potting soil also supports beneficial microorganisms that contribute to plant health. Replacing old soil periodically helps refresh nutrients and improve drainage. Investing in the right soil mix creates a strong foundation for long-term indoor plant success. Number 5. Maintain proper humidity levels. Many popular houseplants originate from tropical rainforests, where humidity levels remain high year-round. Indoor heating and air conditioning can significantly reduce humidity, causing dry leaf edges and slower growth. Increasing humidity can make a noticeable difference in plant health. Grouping plants together creates a small, humid microclimate. Pebble trays filled with water and humidifiers are also effective solutions. Certain rooms, such as bathrooms and kitchens, naturally provide higher humidity levels. Monitoring humidity becomes especially important during winter months. Providing adequate moisture in the air helps plants maintain lush foliage and healthier overall growth. Number 6. Fertilize. During active growth, plants need nutrients to support healthy growth, vibrant leaves, and strong root systems. During spring and summer, most houseplants actively grow and benefit from regular feeding. Use a balanced fertilizer according to label instructions and avoid applying excessive amounts. Over-fertilizing can burn roots and damage plants. Organic fertilizers provide a gentle nutrient source and improve soil health over time. During fall and winter, many indoor plants enter a slower growth period and require less feeding. Understanding your plant's growth cycle allows you to fertilize effectively. Proper nutrition helps maintain vigorous growth and beautiful, healthy foliage. Number 7. Keep leaves clean. Clean leaves allow plants to absorb more sunlight and perform photosynthesis efficiently. Dust naturally accumulates on indoor plant foliage, creating a barrier that reduces light absorption. Regular cleaning improves both plant health and appearance. Gently wipe large leaves with a soft, damp cloth or rinse smaller plants under lukewarm water. While cleaning, inspect leaves for signs of pests, disease, or damage. This simple maintenance task helps keep plants looking vibrant and encourages stronger growth. Making leaf cleaning part of your routine not only enhances your indoor garden's beauty, but also supports long-term plant health and vitality. Number 8. Monitor for pests. Regularly, even healthy indoor plants can occasionally attract pests. Common invaders include spider mites, aphids, mealybugs, scale insects, and fungus gnats. Regular inspections help catch problems before they become serious infestations. Examine both sides of leaves and inspect stems closely. Early signs often include sticky residue, discoloration, webbing, or distorted growth. If pests appear, isolate the affected plant immediately to prevent spreading. Natural treatments such as neem oil and insecticidal soap can effectively control many infestations. Consistent monitoring allows you to address issues quickly. Healthy plants, combined with regular inspections, provide the best defense against unwanted pests. Number 9. Repot. When necessary, as indoor plants grow, their root systems expand and eventually outgrow their containers. Root-bound plants often show signs such as slow growth, roots emerging from drainage holes, or soil drying rapidly. Repotting provides fresh nutrients, additional space, and improved growing conditions. Choose a container that is only slightly larger than the current pot. Oversized pots can retain excess moisture and increase the risk of root problems. Gently loosen compacted roots during repotting to encourage healthy expansion. Refreshing the soil during this process also benefits plant health. Timely repotting helps maintain vigorous and consistent growth. Number 10. Maintain stable temperatures. Most indoor plants thrive when temperatures remain consistent throughout the year. Sudden changes can stress plants and lead to leaf drop, discoloration, or slowed growth. Keep plants away from heating vents, air conditioners, drafty windows, and frequently opened exterior doors. Tropical plants generally prefer temperatures between 65 degrees Celsius and 80 degrees Celsius, making them well-suited to indoor environments. Monitoring temperature fluctuations becomes especially important during seasonal transitions. Stable conditions allow plants to focus their energy on healthy growth rather than coping with environmental stress. Creating a comfortable and predictable environment significantly improves the long-term success of indoor plant care. Indoor plant care doesn't have to be complicated. By following these 10 essential best practices, you can create a thriving indoor garden filled with healthy, beautiful plants. Remember that every plant is unique, and learning to understand its specific needs is the key to success. Small improvements in lighting, watering, humidity, and maintenance can produce remarkable results over time. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with fellow plant lovers. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video with more plant care inspiration.